Hey everyone, this week I'm going to be looking at a mind mapping program for you. It's actually quite a good one. It's 100% free. I haven't had to pay a penny for anything on it at all, and the functionality of it's good. It's just a really handy tool to use. So what we'll do is start with, we have an empty mind map. So if we double click, we can get a main central topic point. Now, for this example, we are going to use dogs. So let's just say we had to write an essay about dogs, an assignment about dogs, or whatever. That's our theme. So we type in that and hit done. So now we've got a central theme. From there, of course, there's 101 different places we can go. We can think about all sorts. But what we want to do, the idea of a mind map, is to get them all down on a piece of paper on screen so that you don't have to think of them all at once. So what you do is if you hit the little plus, you'll add a new branch on there. So when I think of dogs, I think of paws. Don't ask me why, that's just one of the things I think about. So there we go. So now because that's so close to central topic, you can click and hold and drag it away. And then with pause, you can have little subtopics coming off of there as well. So we could have small. So I might have small pause. So at the same time, another topic we would have is we would have big pause, but I shan't put that. I should just leave it as that for now. And then nothing. When you want to hit off of the main topic again, you just hit the plus and it'll add another subtopic. Now the subtopic we're going for here is tail, because, you know, again, with dogs, they've got short and they've got long tails. So if we go to tail there, and then we'll move that along, we hit the little plus, and then we think of long tails, because we've had short for we've had small, sorry, for paws, so we'll have long for tails. Sorry, typing here is not that brilliant. If I could spell, that would help as well. It's going to be one of them days, I suspect. Right. Now, let's just say we make a horrible mistake. So from small, for example, I meant to put ears as a topic off of dog, but accidentally I put it somewhere else on the mind map. So here we go. I'll purposely make that error. I think, oh no, I've put ears in the wrong place. You click and hold and drag it. You hit it in the main one, and then it will be on the main subtopic again. Now, zooming on this works the same as it does with the camera on an Android. If you have your index finger and thumb together, and then you put them in the middle of the screen and drag them apart, it will zoom in, drag them together, zoom out, drag them together again, and zoom out even further. Now the design of this, you might not like the way this is. It looks blocky, it looks squared. However, with the design tools you have here that are built in, you can change the way it looks. So from here we've got some nice curved lines instead of blocky feel going on to it, and I purposely like the colors one. From here we can also group things. So for example, with pause, you see this little T looking button. You can add notes as well to each of your individual ones. So you could, let's just say you only wanted 250 words maximum on that bit. 250 words max. Right, so then you could add a note, and then you've done. Now if you notice, there's that little yellow icon there. Now what that just means is that a note has been added to that particular thing. So if you look at another one, you can't see the little tiny yellow square. From here we've got the three dots, and we can allow for what they call grouping. Now with grouping, it will group everything in that kind of branch, that sub branch there, so we can do this. We can also copy, cut and paste from here as well. So we can hit grouping again, so everything can be groups. What we can do with each individual mind map is we can choose to save them, we can choose to delete them. Now with the free version here, as you can see, I did have a go at Cats one just to see what would happen as well, with a different background and a different back on it. But it just makes it easier, so if you are doing, you know, any sort of mind map, that this program's the one which will just make your life easier for essays. Now the program itself is called simplemind mind mapping. They do have a premium version. I haven't bought it, I haven't tested it, so I wouldn't be able to tell you the differences in functionality. All I can say is this is a great little program. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll chat to you again soon.